Which conflict management technique? Again, only one question is enough to actually understand these conflict management techniques. That is why I say RCA is the most important thing. Okay, RCA is the most important thing here. Why? Which conflict management technique you have used here? You're managing a large project. The sponsor is always late to the meetings. Okay, the sponsor is always late to the meetings. Even today, he is late for the meeting. You did not talk to him or discuss this. You just document that sponsor is again late. Okay. Here, did I discuss with the sponsor? Did I discuss with the sponsor? No, I did not discuss with the sponsor. Okay. I did not discuss it. So we discussed, if we discuss and delay, it is smoothing. Find a better way. We discuss and do what other person is saying. We don't do anything, just document. So here, if you look at the question, the keyword here is you just documented it. The keyword here is you just documented it. So the answer become documented is avoiding. Okay, let's see. Compromising, as we said, both parties give up. We don't see give up here. Smoothing, you discuss and delay. Problem solving, you discuss, find better way to solve. Avoiding, just document. Forcing, you took the decision. Okay. This is the keyword here. You took the decision. So if we go to the question, you are a busy project manager, have been discussing about a particular issue for 2 months. You went to the meeting, you listened. I added this line to confuse you. You choose one option. Who choose? You choose one option and ask them to focus it. You are forcing to their throat, guys. You are forcing the problem to their throat. Do that. You are forcing the problem to their throat and saying, hey, do that. Okay, I listen to you, but do that. It's forcing. It's a forcing solution. You are forcing them to do something. Does that make sense to you guys? How this is forcing? Clear? Everyone is with me? This slide need to be cleared. If this is clear, your most of the conflict management is done. You can even take a screenshot of it and share in the group so that you guys pay special attention, you guys. Compromising is both parties give up. This has to be the word. Something. Usha, Nikhil, Sheetal, smoothing. You discuss with them and delay for next time. Problem solving, you discuss mutually, find better way. Avoiding, you just document. Forcing, you took decision. So Nikhil, according to that, now solve this question. Okay. You're a very busy project manager. Team members have been discussing about a particular technical issue for 2 months. You went to the meeting, listen to what all parties agree to the solution. All parties agree and working on it. Where does it says that you give up something? You guys put it compromising. You guys put compromising where they are giving up something. They did not give up anything at all anywhere. So how that can be compromising? This is problem solving. This is problem solving. Am I clear to you? Everyone who put any other answers here, please. Good. So what we will be doing in this Thursday coaching call specifically, I will be collecting data as from all the coaching call and your question answers. And on this Thursday question answer session, we can have a 1 hour or 2 hour session till 9th of July, till all of you do PMP. Everyone has booked the exam. Na? Please do book the exam. Okay, at least get a date of like till 7th of July. Otherwise, maybe you will not be able to do that. Why earlier was 37? Go back to earlier question, Nikhil. Scroll back and you will see you took the decision. Okay, you took the decision. It was written there, you took the decision. That's why it was that. Okay, it was that. Okay, cool. Now this is very important, you book the exam. So this is how I'm planning. Yes, these sessions, and you can tell me how we can do that. Every week I will give you option also. I'll put in the group. I'll discuss one topic, whichever you want, and then we will put the question answers against that topic. Like for example, I'm saying many people are having confusion about risk strategies, qualitative and quantitative strategies. And then I saw people are having quality topic confusions. So we will discuss those confusion. Okay, we will discuss those things. Okay, so this will be how we were doing it, and do give me feedback. What do you think? Okay, Luca is saying avoiding, somebody is smoothing. Guys, after discussing today's session, okay, Samantha, this is fine to you, no? I will reply you personally about the quality topic if that is not clear to you. What we discussed every week, is that also okay to you, no? Because you and other student was saying some of the topics. Okay, so let's go with this question. Which conflict management technique do you use here? You are a very busy project manager. Team members have been discussing about a particular technical issues for 2 months. You went to the meeting, listened to both parties. Same question, but this is directing attention from main point. Like you are moving away from the main point. Okay, so you shared with them. Let's discuss this thing at some other time. Right now, other things are important. I did not give up. I did not find better way. I did not like just document it. I did not took the decision. I discuss, then I delayed the conflict. I discuss and then I delayed the conflict. So these 4 5 questions are more than enough for you understanding how to solve